This is the second in a series of recordings about AboutMe, the free online digital business card tool. If you haven't got an account for AboutMe, if you go to AboutMe, you can actually sign up for an account. When you're creating it, you will be asked what do you want the name of your account to be. I'd suggest if you're using it for a professional purpose to actually use your name, and using capitals for the beginning of your first name and surname makes it a little bit easier for people to see and read when they're trying to type in your link. Once you've set that one up, it will look a little bit like this. And up on the right hand side you'll have your name here. If you're going back to your account for the first time or after you've created it, you might need to go to about.me / whatever your name is that you put in, and then over here on the right hand side you'll have a sign in button. Once you're into your account, you can actually go in and start customizing, and to do that we're going to go over to where your name is and we're going to choose edit page. And there are a whole heap of different items across the top here that we can customize. On the left hand side, the first thing is that background image that you have, and you can source that background photo by uploading from your computer, grabbing an Instagram photo or Facebook photo or one that you've already saved on the service. I tend to upload, and you can do that by dragging and dropping or using the upload button. And once you have your image, you can decide, do I want it on the left, center, right? In my case, I've chosen to fit it to the window or to fill the window. It's best to play around with this until you get an effect that you like. The next button has all the details, all the information about you. So it begins with your name, your headline, which I generally use to put my job role and where I'm working, and your biography. And you can change these at any time. You'll notice as I'm hovering over them, a little edit button pops up by clicking on edit, and then you'll have a box come up where you can do the editing. And there are some tools here as well, a little bit like word processing, to adjust your text as you're putting it in. Down here underneath you can add your location, and there are some other boxes as well if you want to provide more information. And right down the bottom is our bio photo, which is this one over here on the left, and again you can upload this from the computer. That's a great place to put a professional headshot. Headshots work best for this particular tool. Once you've actually added these things, there's no save button. You can just click on the cross to close the box, but in our case we're going to go across again and look at some of the customization. You can customize the colors that you have on your screen. You can customize the background if you want patterns and textures and how opaque it is. You can also customize your text colors as well, so you can make it work in the colors that best suit you. I've chosen purple because that relates to my directorate color. You can also customize your fonts, so lots of options there to make it look how you want it to look. So that's how you get started with getting those first parts set up.